Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again, it's the Braap man. Back again with a 2013 Honda Recon TRX 250 Fourtrax. This is a good utility quad. It's great because it is electric start and automatic clutch. And they did make two models of this bike, this ATV. They made one model that had electric shift. So basically the electric thing would be, the readout would be here. But I heard a lot of problems with the electronic shift. People were having problems with that. That's just what I heard. But not too sure. That's just what I heard. But this ATV is very clean. And I wasn't sure about selling it. I picked it up. And I picked it up to keep it because I wanted a utility quad that was no clutch, where I could go out into the woods and relax and go exploring. So this is a good ATV for exploring. It's not a sport quad where, if you want speed and stuff like that, it's not good for that. But just want to do a quick walk around on this. It's a 4-cycle automatic clutch, which is very easy to use. Basically, when it's in neutral, you'll pull this in, hit the reverse thing, pull it in, and you click down, which puts it in reverse. And then all up is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So it's down for reverse, and then all up for forward gears. But it's really cool. It's got a little compartment here that opens up for your tools, or keep some straps in there or whatever, which is pretty neat. Stock exhaust. It is shaft driven. You can see the shaft. So there's no chain. Has drum brakes in the back. It's a beast of a quad for being not 4-wheel drive. It is a 2-wheel drive, 2x4, 4x2, whatever you may call it. But it's a 4-cycle engine. It's the traditional 250cc that they used in all the TRX 250s. Very reliable engine. Just bulletproof. It's what you expect from Honda. It's exactly what you expect from Honda. Bulletproof. So has really nice lighting. These headlights are really bright at night. I had this out at night and it shined pretty decent. But this quad has very little wear. It's pretty amazing how clean it is. The guy that I got it from, there's a one-owner quad, so I'm assuming it was used just quite a few times. I mean, there's really no scratches anywhere. Very, very, very clean. So it's like buying a brand new ATV. But this is a great quad if you just want to explore on trails with it. You won't get stuck. I mean, it's not 4-wheel drive, but it's really strong. You shouldn't get stuck with this quad as long as you don't go through anything crazy. But it's definitely good for the entry-level person. If you want speed and all that, it's not for you. You don't want that. It's not a sport quad where you want to go flying down trails on. It's more of a relaxed ATV. You put your cooler on the bars, strap your coolers up here, stuff like that, but it's 4-cycle, straight gas, no oil mix or nothing like that. We'll do a start up on this thing. Let's fire this thing up. On and off headlights. idle's a little high, but she started right up. The idle is a little high. Don't know where the idle screw is. Just assuming it's, I don't know if it's on this side or if it's the other side, but it is idling a little high. And it should be an adjustment screw close by. Usually they have them on the side where you can turn it, but not all of these do have that. I think it's, you have to get a screwdriver to mess with the idle. Sometimes there's access where you can turn it. Not, like I said, not every ATV, but quick walk around of this. If you're looking to get one and you want something to relax on that's easy to ride, I would definitely recommend this. And it's big, but it's not too small. So it's like narrow, so it's good for tight spaces, which is great for the trails. So I would highly recommend this because it's affordable, you know, and you know, just a quick walk around. I'm not going to keep it too long. Any questions you may have, hit me up and let me know, and I'll try to be back with another video on this. But yeah, any questions, let me know and I can answer them. I'll try to help you guys out. Really fun quad, I like it. I don't know if I'm going to sell it or not. I'm not sure because I really want a 4x4. I don't know why. I'm going through like a midlife crisis and I feel the need for a 4x4. Do I need it? No, but I want one. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. And yeah, so this is a quick walk around on this. And I want to get the this TTR out, which is definitely bad to the bone. This was Yamaha's answer to the XR250. I'll do a whole separate video on this one. But the battery died on this. It's electric start, which is really cool. It's electric start, but the battery died from the cold. It's freezing out in Pennsylvania. It's freezing. And we got some other toys. We got the Yamaha Blaster and a really cool mint condition 200SX Honda, which is unbelievable. You don't see those anymore, folks. Very hard to find. And then we got the KX500 Beast. And don't try to steal anything from us because you will lose a leg or an arm. And you know, I'm just saying, for all the thieves out there, you know, and we keep it real out here, and you don't want to come on the property, you know what I mean? So thieves, stay away. Check out my Instagram at Braap Man. You know, we look like a bunch of hillbillies, but we're actually from the city, so we know how to get down when we get down, you know what I mean? We're from Philadelphia, so we've been through it all. So yeah, so stay tuned and check out more videos, guys, and I'll be back with a part 2, but this is just a quick update. And it's been a while, but yeah, check out my Instagram at BraapManOfficial, and I'm gonna be posting more photos on there. But yeah, so I'd highly recommend this quad if you're like a newbie or a beginner. I would definitely recommend this beast, and you know, go for it because it's a decent quad. It's definitely it's a relaxed quad, and you know, night and day difference from a sport quad to like something like this. Night and day difference. You know, you don't have any racks, and you know, it's just a totally different ATV. But I would highly recommend this beast. It's definitely nice. So peace and hair grease, and be safe out there. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back with some updates. See you guys. Be safe out there. See you.